Choose the starting template. Here, 10077 Part 2, Radiosity Method, Horizontal Notes. Click Import on the toolbar. The file is in millimeters. Keep 0.001 as scale factor. Select the main heat flow direction. The node goes between adiabatic areas or boundary conditions. Fill the glazing with the 10077 Part 2 insulation panel material. Assign the remaining materials. We don't need to assign cavities. Frame Simulator will do it automatically. Assign boundary conditions. Frame Simulator detects the remaining boundary conditions automatically. In a few seconds, Frame Simulator runs the simulation. Make sure that the frame and insulation panel section elements have been correctly detected by Frame Simulator.